Amazing, right? लोग अच्छे हैं और हो सके तो घर पे ही हैं, जैसे कि मैंने अब तक के वीडियो में आप लोगों को कहा है। तो गाइज अब से आने वाले जो भी वीडियो रहेंगे उसमें हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं हमारे पिछले कुछ ऐसे वीडियोस। हम काफ़ी जगह पे गए हुए थे जिसको हमने रिकॉर्ड किया था, बट हमने कभी उसको व्लॉग नहीं बनाया। तो मैं ये सोचा कि क्यों ना वो सब वीडियो आप लोग को इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान आपको व्लॉग सीरीज़ बना के आप लोग को दिखाऊं। तो हम बहुत सारी जगह पे गए, जैसे ब्रिस्टल, कार्डिफ, न्यूपोर्ट, वेल्स, लुइसली बीच। तो इन सब का मैं आपको पूरा एक सीरीज़ बना के आप लोग को प्रेजेंट करूँगा। तो ये समवेयर बिटवीन 6 to 10, तो 6 से 10 एपिसोड्स का ये एक सीरीज़ बनेगा। तो देखते रहिए और बताइए कि आपको ये कैसा लगा। आई होप ये लोग को अच्छा लगेगा, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा, एंड आई होप यू ऑल गाइज विल हैव fun. I told you that I will be going to Bristol. I have already reached Bristol. Guys, unfortunately, मैं कुछ भी vlog नहीं कर पाया since morning my travel because I was not well today morning. Yeah, actually yesterday night I slept at around 3 o'clock. Just 1 hour sleep. We eat dinner. So because of that wind digestion, so whole travel to Bristol I was totally tripped in. I slept throughout the journey. And right now also I'm not feeling good. I'm having this soda. तो अब मैं सोचा कि यार आप लोग को थोड़ा वीडियो दिखा दूँ. So just open this camera and trying to vlog now. I have checked in my hotel. We are IBS Bristol. I will definitely going to give you a room tour of that entire hotel and show you around. And yeah, right now I am in a mall, and if I can just show you, this is and this is small eatery shop, and yeah, it's all about. So show you how it goes from here. Okay guys, so after having that soda, able to reach to suspension bridge of Bristol. तो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ amazing. So basically this bridge is created between two mountains. दो पहाड़ों के बीच में ये suspension bridge बनाया गया है. So it's like that. तो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ basically. So ये bridge कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. So this is how this bridge looks like. And आप अगर नीचे देखें, अगर आप देखें, दो माउंटेन के बीच में they have adjoined with two pillars, and this is the bridge. How it looks like, amazing, right? So basically this concept of this suspension bridge have started with Britain only. इन्होंने ही suspension, आपको अगर पता होगा कि इंडिया में जो हावड़ा ब्रिज है, that is also suspension bridge concept. Yeah, so मैं अभी आपको दिखाता हूँ कि how it works. Okay, so guys, this is the suspension bridge visitor center, open in 1st June 2015. Okay guys, so after visiting the suspension bridge in Bristol, we have now reached to visitor center. So visitor center is basically it's a center which gives a description about everything about the suspension bridge, like how it was made, when it was built, how many people involved in making that entire bridge. So this is how the visitor center look like. So you have multiple like games, and where you can build your own bridge with lot of puzzles. So these you can see, these are the parts, small
which you can, I mean, basically you can come here and build your own like model kind of thing. You have these puzzles as well, as you can see, where you can, you know, come and build everything. So yeah, it's quite an interesting place. Like if you want to know about the bridge, how it was made, and it's a nice place to visit. So yeah, you have some models, so these are not for sale, these are just to view. So yeah, pretty nice. So this bridge was basically built on a nice concept though. As I said, the British were the first who were basically involved in mastering this concept of suspension bridge. Let's move ahead, and this is all about the visitor center. And now we are moving out, and it's raining quite heavily. Okay guys, after visitors cave we have reached to this giant cave. So guys, this is basically if you see, इन्होंने पहाड़ को पूरा काट के ये केव बनाया है, and this is the step, I think 130 steps है, and you have to go almost 130 steps down to see another view of that suspension bridge again. So let's go, and मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि कैसा है यहाँ से, how the view is. Alright, let's go, let's follow me. Okay guys, so we are slowly and gradually moving down through this mountain. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि यार ये बहुत ही steep है. So guys, we are slowly and gradually going inside this cave. So this, if you see, this cave is very narrow, and the height of the cave is also very, I mean, I think it's not more than 6 feet. So guys, the people who are very tall, see my head is, oh, even my head is getting struck. It's very narrow guys, it's very narrow, I must say that. So we are still moving inside this mountain range. It's so narrow. I have to bend down and go. Wow, guys. Yeah. So now the stone step ends over here, and we have only the you know, this medieval steel railing steps, and I was ready to go into amazing experience. यार बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्टीप है. आप अगर देखें, स्लोली बैकग्राउंड में आप देखिए कैसा दिखता है ये. आप देख सकते हैं, we are still going. Oh my God, it is very steep. I must say, it is going shorter and shorter. Oh, मेरे को तो बैठ के उतरना पड़ रहा है यहाँ से. It's too narrow. Oh God, I think we have finally made it. Yeah, it's really very heavy. So yeah guys, we have finally made it. We have finally made it. Yay! We finally made it. We made it. Okay guys, so we have finally made it. हम पहुंच चुके हैं. अगर आप देखें तो ये केव यहाँ पे निकलता है. It's raining. No, it's not raining heavily. It's the sound of those. Oh my God, guys, this is. If you see that is our suspension bridge. Suspension bridge. see that is our suspension bridge, and this is how it looks. Amazing, guys, amazing. No. So guys, we have finally made it to this point. Amazing place, amazing point. Let me enjoy this view for a couple of minutes and peace out. I will get you back on another side. हाँ, फाइनली हम पहुंच चुके हैं अपने होटल.
So guys, please share, subscribe, like और घंटी बजाइए नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन के लिए.